All right, guys, Mike McKinney with Landers Ford South, South Haven, Mississippi. I know a lot of times we're posting vehicles on here that we get in and things like that. But the one thing we sometimes fail to do is just show people how certain things work. Whether you buy the vehicle, you may have already bought one and maybe a little confused. But on this big screen radio that's coming out, it's real similar to the older ones as far as where to go to get your channels. You'll go to audio, you can go to sources, and that source button will give you your AM, FM, Sirius radio, and your Bluetooth. You can go to FM radio and then change your channels to your desired station. The other thing on this big screen is you have where you used to set up a lot of stuff through the steering wheel, through the dash. Now over here on the far right, you've got features. You can hit that button and go to driver assist. And that pulls up all like your cruise control, adaptive cruise, your speed limit assist, lane keeping system. So you would go to cruise control. And if you just want normal cruise control, you would push that. And it will show you on the dash this normal cruise control. If you want the adaptive cruise control, you'd push adaptive. You've got lane centering here and speed recognition. If you want it, you would just turn it on by hitting that button. If you want the tolerance to let you know where you're at, you can hit that button and take your speed up. So if you want to go 5 over and that's what you feel comfortable at, you can take this to 5 over, and then it will alert you up on the screen that you're going over your speed. There's just little quick things there. And we could go back. You got lane keeping system here. There's your mode. So we're going to take this. We'll go to alert and aid, which will give you both the lane centering and letting you know that you may be running off the road or crossing the line. You can go to the intensity. I prefer to take mine all the way up to high. And steering wheel vibrates, and it gives you a lot of feedback. Okay. So we'll go back out of that. And then pre-collision assist, you can turn it on. It does the same thing. You can take pre-collision assist. If you want distance, like how close you're getting, if you get up close to people, it'll start beeping and let you know that you're getting close. You got automatic emergency braking, evasive steering assist. I've got all that turned on, and you can also change the sensitivity of it. And then one other thing I wanted to show what most people do, these big screen radios, they're designed, they at nighttime, they're big, they may put out a lot of light. You can actually change this by hitting this button right here on the far right by the tune knob. It will take you to that, but you can also hit it again, which will turn it completely off. You still get the radio and the sound, but you just don't get that bright light at night. You can also hit that button again, and it will turn it back on. You can resume what you were doing. Guys, if you have any questions or need any help, feel free to give me a call. My number is 901-299-9970 or 662-996-1031. You guys have a great day.